Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Cheeto from Blended Fam again. I'm gonna do like sort of an unboxing. It's not an official unboxing because I got this like a few days ago. I charged it, but this is what it looks like. It comes packaged. It's I don't even know how you say that. Eachine, whatever. It's an X3 6000 milliamp external battery pack. So I got it on sale on Amazon. I punched in this code and I think I got it for like, I don't know, $7, $8, something like that. But it's on sale right now for like $12.99 on Amazon. So it comes in this packaging. Has that on there. Nice lithium. It says 2-year warranty on it. And I think it comes in these colors. So I'm doing this on my laptop camera. I don't have a cool baller camera. But I'll open it, if I can open it. It seems to be kicking my butt right now. Pretty embarrassing, actually. Because I opened it to charge it, and you know what? I didn't even time the charge. So I don't know how long it took to charge, but it was dead when I got it. Totally dead. So I took the shell off. Comes with a card. It says happy. Why it says happy, I don't know. Dear customer, blah 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 blah. So it comes with a card. Let's see what else we got in here. I chose to get black. So it's nice. It has kind of like a grippy matte feel to it. It's pretty cool. You have your looks like 5-volt 2 amp, 5-volt 1 amp, and then this is a input for charging. Let's see, and then there's on this side there's like a power button. So there's indicators right here. Let's see if it works. It's fully charged, so that's a cool thing. It shows you what it is. Another cool thing about it is built-in cables. Yeah, built-in cables. So this is your standard micro USB. I think this is for charging. I don't know. As a matter of fact, let me just plug it into my laptop right now. I know you guys can't see it, but all right. So you can't see it, but this indicator, this light indicator, will move while it's charging. So this will charge it, the battery pack, and it kind of slides in real good here. It's pretty sturdy, like fits in there really snug, so it's not like all weird and loose. And this fits in pretty snug too. The micro USB part charges. So let me see. Let me give it a real quick test here. Plug it in for you guys. So it looks like it starts to charge without you pushing anything. So as you can see, it shows it's charging my phone. So I don't know what the charge rate is coming out of this cable anyways, because I know, like you see right here, there's the 5-volt 2 amp and then the 1 amp. So I don't know what amperage is coming out of this cable, but so that's that. What else? You get this cool box. Get rid of that. You get a cable and a instruction manual. Now we get rid of the box. We're done with that. You get this cool instruction manual, user manual. Tells you more info about it. Great, awesome. A warranty card. Who fills warranty cards out? I don't know. But you get this short cable. It's branded with their brand on it. and it is, I don't know, about a foot long, maybe a little bit longer than that. Now, as far as this is size, let's see. This is a. I'm actually taking my cover off my phone here. So this is a Galaxy Note 4. You got like that. So I don't know what else to compare it to. My Halo mouse. It's a mini mouse though. I don't know. It's kind of hard to. Let me see. I don't know what else to. Oh, glasses. Let's see. Glasses. So, a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of sucks being able to compare this to something. How about an external hard drive? Let's try this, guys. This is my Toshiba 1 terabyte hard drive. So we got that, like that. So it feels pretty good. Let's see. It's not very heavy. Feels good. Probably feel good in your pocket. But definitely something you could just throw in your backpack. It's 6,000 milliamps. So I think my Galaxy Note is like, I don't know, over 3,000 milliamps. So I could charge it at least twice. So especially for the price, what, 12, 13 bucks? It's definitely not bad. Feels good. Feels like the build quality is not, you know, not very cheap at all. I mean, in my opinion, you got the cool indicators. So with that cable, you can use it to charge here. Let me see. Pop it in right there. And then let me get it going in my laptop here. Since I charged it. Boom. The indicator showing that it's charged. So you can charge with this cable or the provided USB cable on here. See that? That's cool. So I guess if you don't have a cable, you can charge without that. Without this cable anyways. And then also, obviously, you can use this cable to charge your equipment. Pop it in there in the 1 amp or the 2 amp. I think the 2 amp would probably be good for charging a tablet. Yeah, let's test it. Let me see. What do I got here? I got a bunch of tablets here, guys. Let's see. I do have a first gen Nexus 7. So let me pop this in. Let's see. Okay, it's charging. So on a Nexus 7, it will work. First gen, so probably work on the second gen too. Alrighty, here's probably what I'm gonna put it in the 2 amp slot, but I'm gonna try doing an iPad. Let me grab my iPad. This is an iPad 3 with the Retina right here. So let me turn the screen off real quick. 30-pin connector. Let's see. Well, it's not charging. I have it plugged into the 2 amp, and it's not charging. So I don't know if oh yeah, right there. Whoops. Let me see. Okay. See that? No, probably can't see it, huh? I wonder how I can get it to show. But it seems like it's charging. Let's see. Well, the logo shows up. There we go. So, yeah, with my crappy camera, you can't see the charge logo. But yeah. So let me just pop that up again. See, I unplugged it. Put it back in. So it gives you how much it's charged. I got the little lightning bolt logo saying that it's charging. So it does in fact charge an iPad. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't have it plugged in all the way. But yeah, there you go. So 6,000 milliamps, 12, 13 bucks. Build quality exceptional. Yeah, like I said earlier in the beginning, I do not know how long it takes to charge it. It was dead when I got it. I threw it on the charger because I didn't know if I was going to use it this week, and I did not time it, so I don't know how long it takes to charge 6,000 milliamps. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.